Njengoba amazwe ehlukene eqhubeka nokulanda abantu bawo abakulelizwe ngokungemthetho kulandela imbhikisho ephikisana nokungena kuleli ngokungemthetho, kunabantu baseGhana ababili asebenikele enkantolo yamazwe omhlaba beyomangalela iNingizimu Afrika ngabakubiza ngokuhlaselwa kwabantu bakwamanye amazwe kulelizwe.
We have also noted the petition submitted to the International Criminal Court by two Ghanaian civilians, and we have been advised legally that this filing fails to satisfy the statutory legal triggers and jurisdictional requirements necessary for action by the court.
Uhulumeni uthi liyaqhubeka uhlelo lokugudukisa abantu abanqume ukubuyela emazweni abo esikhungweni esiseMusina eLimpopo. Sebecela izinkulungwaneni ezingama-60 abantu bokufika asebezivumele ngokwabo ukuthi bazogoduka nasebebhalisiwe. Iningi labo abaseMalawi.
We can confirm that since Malawian nationals assembled at Sherwood in KwaZulu-Natal between the 14th of June 2026 to 24th July 2026, a total of 68,138 foreign nationals have been processed. The majority repatriated following processing at the Musina Temporary Repatriation Processing Center, the TRPC. So overall now, from the last stats we gave, which was around 54, we are now sitting at 68,138.
Kusenjalo kuboshwe abantu abazenza izisebenzi zomnyango wezasekhaya ePolokwane okubikwa ukuthi bebehlukumeza abantu bokufika kulelizwe bagcine sebefuna ngodli imali.
We have observed that there are still individuals who impersonate Home Affairs officials and target foreign nationals and some businesses for these illegal identity searches, and some of them are starting to take the shape of extortion.
Uhulumeni uthi isibalo sabantu abasagcinwe esikhungweni nababhalisela ukugoduka eMusina ngosuku sesehle kakhulu sisuka ku-20,000 safinyelela ku-5,000.